Hi, Brad here. Today we're going to replace this RV entry door lock that's in the bunkhouse of our travel trailer. The inside of this bunkhouse door lock does not have a handle or a latch, so that's great at keeping kids in, but what if there's a fire? So we want to replace this so there's a handle, so there's a way the kids can get out if there's a fire. So let's get right into this. So we're going to remove the strike plate here now. I guess there's technically not a plate there, but we need those screws removed so that we can pull this in. So basically you got to slide this over and then push out. Just going to kind of clean it out a little bit. All right, now we're going to install the front part of this RV door lock that's in the bunkhouse. That should tighten up when we put the screws in on the other side. So we're just going to do everything in reverse now. So in the package that came from Amazon, they give you multiple strike plates and different size screws. I decided not to use a strike plate since one didn't come with it. I can always put it in later if I need it. Now just making sure that things move freely. They say in the directions to verify the deadbolt knot matches the front part. So I don't know what that means. There's only one way this goes on to here, and I think that's what they're referring to. And then I believe this part goes behind here on this side. But maybe we'll get these to match first. Kind of turning it till it goes on. It looks like it's on. And then we'll get it right side up. I think we're good. Here I'm basically just tightening the screws on the back plate. I'm having a little trouble lining everything up. That's why I lost some of the video, guys. You get what you pay for. It stops there, guys. Yeah, I can't get it any further. All right, let's see how well it closes. Looks like these just come off. They came with 4 keys. They're all the same. They're kind of cheap. So let's lock the regular lock. Works. Unlock. How about that deadbolt? Wait. No, up and down I think it goes. Yep, it works. So I think the door closed tighter before, but I don't know if it's all in my head or not. So what I could do is just drill these holes a little wider, you know, over here more, and then maybe slide this plate over a little bit to get it to shut tighter. But I think instead what I'm going to do is there's just a little air here and there that comes through. You know, when I close, the inside of the door has some sort of like insulation, like a weather stripping. But I think it would be better to glue on here more weather stripping so that there's a tighter seal, because I don't want deer ticks or anything coming through here. So I think that might be a better fix. And then I got one other thing I want to show you here. So the deadbolt works, but it won't stay on. Paint there's already cracked. It's cheap. I had to dig into the door, and this screw won't go on all the way, but it's tight, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna order a new one, replace this, and then send back what's damaged. All right, so I ordered a new one. Came a couple days later. Deadbolt works, lock works. Let's go ahead and shut it. All right, would I recommend this? No. I'd recommend a different one, but you can use this video as a how-to to put it together because they're all kind of similar. There's a storage.